What is
10 gram of ice.
ice is equal to 10 gram. Okay.
0 degrees Celsius.
0 degree Celsius is temperature.
Absorb 5400
Energy. Energy जो है it is converting into water.
is
Okay. It is converting into water of 0 degree Celsius. How much energy it is absorbing? 5000
460
5460 joule. Right. Okay.
of heat energy and melt and change to water at 50 degrees Celsius.
हाँ तो पहले मतलब this is not 0 degree ice will convert in 0 degree water, that is Q is equal to ml, right? And 0 degree water convert into water at 50 degrees Celsius, right? And mass will be 10 gram and it is 10 gram. What do you have to find?
Calculate
Huh?
specific heat of fusion of ice.
Okay, so total energy total energy is कितना
460
5460 joule. This much is total energy. This is Q1, this is Q2, this is Q1, this is Q2. This is Q2 is equal to M into C into delta T. Right? This is Q1 and this is Q2 and the total energy Q is equal to ml plus m into c into delta t, right? And that is given to you 5460 joule is equal to, if you take 10 as a common, bracket L plus C is 4.2 joule per gram into change in temperature is 50 degree. Is it? Change in temperature is 0 to 50 na? So 50 minus 0 becomes 50. Change in temperature is 50. So this 0 and 0 is cancelled out. 5546 is equal to L plus taken 10, 0 out, 210, right? So when you bring this here, so 546 minus 210 is equal to L. So this is 336 joule per gram is latent heat of, this is latent heat of
water
fusion of ice.
for fusion of ice.
Latent heat of fusion of ice, right? This is how we get it. This is the whole formula we have, right? This is Q1, this is Q2. We put the values here and total energy is given to you. We put the values and get the number. Right, this was the question number 1. It's so quite easy, that's why I gave you. Now come to the question number last which you have. What is that? Question number?
12.
Question number 12. What is that?
200 gram of ice
Ice is
at 0 degrees Celsius.
1 minute. Ice is 200 gram, right? At a temperature of 0 degrees Celsius. Fine.
Convert into water
Into water.
at 0 degrees Celsius.
Water at 0 degrees Celsius. So Q will be
In 1 minute.
ml. ठीक है, ठीक। तो जब हम टाइम से ले लेंगे तो ये पावर हो गई। What it is asking? क्वेश्चन क्या है?
When heat is supplied to it at constant rate, in how much time 200 gram of water at 0 degrees Celsius will change to 20 degrees Celsius? Take specific latent heat of ice 336 joule.
मतलब okay, no issue. This water at 0 degree Celsius is coming to water at 20 degree Celsius, right? देखो, it is saying this much in conversion in 1 minute, right? So constant supply of power. So for this phase there is P is equal to, this is M is Q, P is equal to Q upon T, and that there is M into L upon 60. So you can write here how much? This is 200 into 336 joule upon 60 seconds. So this is what? So this is how much? 5 times. Hello? 5 times 6 becomes 30, and 6 times 6 becomes, so this is 0. 2 times 6 becomes 12, we get 1. 5 times 2 times 5 becomes 10, and 1 11. So 1120 watt. This much of power is given to convert 0 degree ice to 0 degree water. That power for converting 200 gram of ice at 0 degree Celsius to 200 gram of water at 0 degree Celsius, that is 1120 watt. That it is. Now for converting, for converting this 200 gram of water, power remains same. Power, constant supply of power, constant supply of power. So P is equal to Q upon T, or we can write T is equal to M into C into delta T upon P. So if we write this 200 into C is 4.2 into change in temperature from 0 degrees Celsius to 20 degrees Celsius. So it is 20 upon power is 1120 watt. Right. So we remove one decimal from here, we take one zero here, these two zeros are cancelled out, and this is uh, 5 times 5 times 2 becomes 10, and 6 times 2 becomes, you know, 12. So it is 56, and 6 times 7 becomes 42, and 8 times 7 becomes 56. So we can write here, 6 into 20 upon 8 seconds, right? So when it is further divide, it becomes 3 times 2 becomes 6, and 4 times 2 becomes 8, 5 times 4 becomes 20. So T is equal to 15 seconds. We have the solution of this question. So we have solution of the question number 12. This is. Thank you.